Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the rational expression. So what is rational expression? An expression of the form p of x and q of x, where p of x and q of x are two polynomials over the set real numbers, where q of x not equal to 0 is called rational expression. Okay, in the expressions, two expressions we have. For example, x by 9, x square plus 5, 3x plus 1. These expressions in the form of, this is p of x, this is q of x. It is in the form of p of x and q of x, where p of x and q of x are two polynomials. P of x and q of x are two polynomials over the set real numbers. Over the set real numbers, where q of x not equal to 0. Q of x is not come 0, means it is called rational expression. So we have to follow the steps. We have to follow two steps. First step, we have to factorize the numerator and denominator. First factorize the numerator and denominator. Next, second step, if there is any common factor in numerator and denominator, we cancel them. We have any common factor in numerator and denominator, we can cancel them and bring it the lowest term. That is rational expression. Now we will see the exercise first sum. X square minus 1 divided by x square plus x. So now it is in the form of p of x and q of x. Next, first step, we have to factorize the numerator and denominator. So how we can factorize? Here x square minus 1, how you have to factorize? So here x square, 1 also we have to change into square, because 1 square, 1 cubed, everything is 1 only. So I change x square minus 1 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b squared. So a square minus b squared formula is a plus b, a minus b. So you have to write x plus 1, x minus 1. X plus 1, x minus 1. Next, second one, x square minus x square plus x. So here we can factorize. No, but we can take common term. What it is? X. Because both the terms have x. So we take x as common. So remainder x plus 1. Remaining x we take as common. Here x, here 1. So now first step, we have to factorize the numerator and denominator, p of x and q of x. Second step, we cancel them. So for we have to write x plus 1, x minus 1 divided by x of x plus 1. So now we can cancel. If we can cancel, we cancel. So here x, here we don't have. Here x plus 1, here x plus 1. So we will cancel. So what is our answer? In numerator we have only x minus 1. Denominator we have x. So we have to bring it its lowest term. That's all. First step, factorize. Second step, any common factor you cancel. Second question. So x square minus 11x plus 18, x square minus 4x plus 4. So what is the first term? X square minus 11x plus 18, first polynomial. So you have to factorize. So we can't use the formula here, so we have to use factorization. So if we multiple, we want to get 18. If we add, we want to get minus 11. So what numbers are there? Multiple, we want to get 18 or 11. Yes, 9 2s are 18. If we multiple 18, if we add, we can get minus 11. So minus 9 minus 2. Because minus 9 plus minus 2 is minus 11. So what is the factorization of x square minus 11x plus 18? X minus 9, x plus 2. Next, x square minus 4x plus 4. So here also we can't take any common factors. So we can take the factorization method. So multiple means 4, add means minus 4. So what we have, 4 means we have only one factor, it is 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 is minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4. So what is the factors of this polynomial? X minus 2, x minus 2. Now what we have to do? We factorize. Second step, we have to write and cancel it. Yes, first we have to write. We can cancel x minus 9. Sorry, here also minus. X minus 9, x minus 2 and x minus 2, x minus 2. So x minus 2 we have to cancel, remaining x minus divided by x minus 2. That's all. Next we will see the third question. 9x squared plus 81x, x cubed plus x squared minus 9x. So first we will see 9x squared plus 81x. What we can take as common? Both the ones have 9 terms, 9 multiples. 9 and 81s are 9 multiples. And we have x also, it's common. So I take 9x as common. If you take 9x as common, remaining what is there? Only x. Because 9 we take as common, x, 1x we take, remaining only 1x. Here 81, 9 9s are 81. So 1 9 we take the common. Next we have only 9 because x also we taken as common. Next, x cubed plus 8x squared minus 9x. So first we have to see any common terms we can take. Yes, x we can take as common. So x cubed plus 8x, so x squared plus 8x minus 9 because x we taken as common. Now we can factorize this term. So how we can factorize? Yes, if you want multiple, we want minus 9. Add means plus 8. So what numbers are there? Multiples, we want minus 9. If we add, we want get 8. So we have only 9, we have only 2 factors. 3 3s are 9, 1 9s are 9. So 3 plus 3 we can't put 8. But 1 9s are 9. But we want plus 8. So I put this is minus 1 minus 1. Small number become minus because number is plus. Because minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8. Minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8. So now you have to factorize this x. So this factorization is x minus 1, x plus 9. So now we factorize. Next what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiple x of 9 x of x plus 9 divide by x of x minus 1 x plus 9. So x will be cancel, x plus 9 cancel. Remaining what is there? 9 by x minus 1. 9 by x minus 1. Next we will see the fourth sum. P square minus 3p minus 40 divided by 2p cube minus 24p square plus 64p. So first we will see the first polynomial. P square minus 3p minus 40. So we can't take any common terms. So we have to factorization. Directly we go for factorization. If you want multiple, we want minus 40. Add means we want minus 3. So what are the factors of 40 factors? Yes, 10 4s are 40, 8 5s are 40. We have. So in that 3 which comes means it is possible only 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. We want minus 40. So any one number only we can put minus. So which number? Because here also we have minus. So minus 3. So we put in the greatest number because our answer we want minus 3. So in the greatest number symbol only we put in answer. So the greatest number I put minus 8. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Minus 8 into 5 minus 40. So now what is the factorization of p square minus 3p minus 40? Minus p minus 8 p plus 5. P minus 8 p plus 5. Next 2p cubed minus 24p squared plus 64p. So here what we can take as common? Any common term we can take? Yes, 2 and p we take as common. Because 2, all the ones are 2 multiples and p we have all the terms we have p. So 2p we take as common. Remaining what is there? P squared minus 12p plus 32 plus 32. Now we do the normal factorization. If you want multiple, we want 32 add minus 12. So what are the 32 factors? Yes, 8 4s are 4 8s are 32. So 8 and 4. So here we want answer in plus. So we have to put any, not put any symbol because 8 4s are 32. Here but we want minus 12. So minus 12 means minus 8 minus 4 only it becomes minus 12. So our factors are 2p is common. This factors is p minus 8, p minus 4. P minus 8, p minus 4. So we finish first step, factorize. Next what we have to do? Yes, we have to cancel. So what is the first polynomial factors? P minus 8, p plus 5. Second is 2p, p minus 8, p minus 4. So p minus 8, p minus 8 will be cancelled. Remaining p plus 5 divided by 2p, p minus 4. This is our lowest terms. Next we will see the excluded value. So what is excluded value? So value that makes a rational expression. We bring the rational expression, no? Last time we have to factorize and cancel. Bring the rational expression, no? Lowest term. It's undefined. Expression undefined is called an excluded value. Is called an excluded value. So what it is? We find the excluded values. The given rational expression, lowest term p of x and q of x, when the q of x is equal to 0, what value we put, the q of x is 0, it is called, that values is called excluded value. Okay, so for example, x by x plus 5 is there. X by x plus 5 is there. Here it is the rational expression lowest term. We find the excluded value for this. So we have to, what value we put, it becomes 0. Q of x is 0. So plus 5 is there. What we put, it becomes 0. My x is equal to, we put minus 5. It is minus 5 plus 5, it becomes 0. So our excluded value is minus 5. That's all. So what value we put, it becomes 0. What value we put, it becomes 0. So this value is called the when it is 0, it is undefined. When it is the denominator is 0, it is undefined. Okay. So what value we put, it is undefined. That value is called excluded value. Now we will see the exercise. In exercise 3.4, second sum. Find the excluded values if any of the following expression. If any of the following expressions. So here y by divided by y square minus 25. So y square minus 25. So first you have to factorize and bring it to the lowest terms. Y divided by y square, the 25 we can put 5 square. So it becomes y divided by, this is a plus b the form. A plus b the form, y plus 5, y minus 5. So now we will see in the y, what value we put, it becomes 0. So y squared minus 25 we put 5 squared. Now it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So a plus b, a minus b. So now we have to see what value here we put, it becomes 0. If two possibilities is there. Yes, y is equal to minus 5. Here y is equal to plus 5. So our excluded values are minus 5 and plus 5. That's all. Minus 5 and plus 5. Okay. So what value we put, it becomes 0. See the second question. The second question is what? T divided by t square minus 5t plus 6. Okay. Here we can't use the formula, we can use the factorization method. So t divided by, you have to factorize. If you multiple, we want 6, add, we want minus 5. So what is 3 2s are 6. So minus 3 minus 2, because minus 3 minus 2 we add, we get minus 5. So what is the factorization? T minus 5, sorry, t minus 3, t minus 2. So what is the excluded values here? What value t we put, it becomes 0. First we put plus 3, here we put plus 2, because 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what values? Yes, we can put t is equal to 3 or t is equal to 2. If any one term 0, it becomes 0. So our excluded values are 3 or 2. 3 or 2. Now we will see the third sum. Third sum, x squared plus 6x plus 8. So first, x squared plus 6x plus 8, we have to factorize. You have to factorize. So as usual, we will factorize now. Multiple we want get 8, add we want 6. So what is possible? 4 2s are 8. So what is this factorization? X plus 4, everything is in plus, so no need to change the sign. X plus 4, x plus 2. Next, here we want multiple, we want minus 2, add means we want minus plus 1. So what it is? 1 2s are 2. 2 we have only one factor, 1 2s are 2. But we want answer minus, but plus we want, we add plus 1. So we get plus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 only plus 1. 1 2s are 2, minus 2. So our factors are x minus 1, x plus 2. So now what we have to do? We can cancel. Yes. So you have to bring it to the lowest terms. Now you find the excluded value. Exclude what value we put, it becomes 0. Yes. X is equal to 1. It becomes 0. So our excluded values are, I write the short form, you also write. Okay. So excluded value is 1. Our excluded value is 1. Next we will see the fourth sum. X cubed minus 27, x cubed plus x squared minus 6x. So first you have to factorize x cubed minus 27 cube. Yes, this is in the form of a cubed minus b cubed. Formula is what? A minus b. So 27 we have to change as 3 cubed. 27 we have to change as 3 cubed. So it is a cubed minus b cubed. Okay. So a minus b. Next a squared plus ab. 3 into x, 3x plus b squared. B squared is 3 squared is 9. Next, you can factorize. Before factorize, we have x is common factor. So you take x is common. X squared plus 6 plus x minus 6. X squared plus x minus 6. So this you have to factorize. If you multiple, we want minus 6. Add, we want plus 1. So what? We have only 3 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus minus 3 minus 2 1. So what is the factors of this? X into x plus 3 x minus 2. X plus 3 x minus 2. Now we will see that. Next what we have to do? Yes, we have to write and we have to cancel. X minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 9 divide by x into x plus 3 x minus 2. So what we can cancel? X plus 3. So x plus 3, x minus 3 we can't cancel. X plus 3 and x minus 3 we can't cancel. So we have to put all the values, we have to find the x values because no one we can't cancel. If x is equal to 0 we put, it becomes 0. And x is equal to minus 3, we plus 3 is there, we put minus 3, it becomes 0. Next, minus 2 is there, we put plus 2, it becomes 0. So our excluded values are 0, minus 3 and plus 2. These are our excluded values. I think you understand, students. So after watching, subscribe and click the bell button.